Alright, geometry 2.1, day 2, angles and congruence. Today is a construction day. We are going to learn how to construct a couple of things. The first thing is we are going to learn how to copy an angle. So you need a straight edge, you need a handy dandy protractor. On the back we're going to be using this patty paper. It's called patty paper. It's basically just tracing paper, and it's the size that they use at butcher shops to fit in between hamburger patties, so they call it patty paper. We glued it into the back of our notes, and you need something to write with. Alright, so I have all my supplies off camera. So it says you are given angle B. Alright, I'm given angle B. Use a straight edge to draw a ray on your paper. Label it with endpoint G. So I'm going to use my straight edge. It doesn't have to be at the same angle. And I'm going to draw a ray. And it is going to be endpoint G. Okay? Now, if at any point you need to pause this video as you're going along, please do so. Alright. Now we're going to take our compass, we're going to open it a little, we're going to put the pointy end on B, okay, and you're going to take your pencil, well, let me put my point back on B, I apologize. You're going to take your pencil, and you're going to draw an arc to go across that bottom ray, okay? Don't move your protractor, leave it that length, all right? Then you're going to take your protractor over, put your point on G, and you're going to draw and copy that exact same arc. Alright, so let me do this. It's not as easy to do on camera as it is in person. Okay, I put my point there. Alright, I am going to match the arc. Alright. We're going to call this point C on this one. And I'll call this point H. Alright? Next step. We're going to take the point. Okay? We're going to put it on C. And we're going to move our compass so that it is touching, okay, the top line. It's touching the top line, okay, and we are going to draw an arc, okay. I am going to match my arc, so I put my point on H, and oh, I moved it, I apologize, and I'm going to draw an arc, okay. And take my compass. I'm going to put the point on B. I'm going to open my compass. My compass is brand new, so it takes a little bit. Alright, and I'm going to have my pencil point where that first arc crossed my top ray. Alright? Draw another arc. Alright? Leave the compass, points on G, matching arc. Now my first angle, I'm going to call that A. I'm going to take my straight edge, because this is point E or F. Give it whatever the name you want. And I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm going to go through both points. I'm going to make a ray. And I've now just copied my angle. Alright. Now, again, there's a summary at the bottom of this. You're going to summarize what you feel is the main point, what you learned, all that good stuff. And on the back, okay, on the back, we are going to learn how to bisect an angle with our patty paper. Alright. So first, I am going to draw an angle PQR. It doesn't have to be this exact angle, but I'm going to draw an angle PQR on this paper. I use my straight edge. Alright. Doesn't have to fill the entire piece of patty paper, but don't make it too tiny either. All right, because you're eventually going to be folding this paper, just saying. So I made QR. Now let me make another ray. All right, going up like this. All right. So ray, Q, P, R, P, Q, R. All right. Oh, lost my arrow. There we go. Now, you're going to fold so that ray QR overlaps perfectly ray QP. Okay, and you can see through the patty paper to help line it up. And you want your point at Q. Okay, point at Q. And then you just line up your rays. All right, line up your rays. Have point at Q. And then crease your paper. Crease your paper. All right? And your rays should be aligned. And when you open it up, you have that crease. You're going to draw, take your straight edge, and now you're going to draw and bisect your angle. Okay? You're going to copy that fold, and now you have point T. And ray QT bisects angle PQR. Congratulations, you've bisected an angle. So you take a little glue, dot on each corner, glue it in your notes like a proud little art project. And congratulations, another day of notes down. There is no assignment that goes with this because, well, you can't use a compass on your computer screen. But this was just part of our standards, and so this is something you need to know how to do so you can break it down in the future. Good luck.